See those clouds in the sky? See that? That almost looks like hurricane wind skies. Always looks like it, right? I'm going to tell you how hurricanes are formulated. Let's go back to when God separated the faults and the waters for the flocks and the birds to fend for both. Hurricanes formulate from the sky converging with the water in a certain way to create an ocean tide in the form of white circular motion, a swirling motion of wind, water, and cloud. And that's how a hurricane is formulated. It converges from the sky to the water. Many thought it was as basic as a formulation as a tsunami wave or something. That's not how it works. The sky converges with the water. Yes, the sky converges with the water to make the hurricane. There you go.